In the previous lecture, we studied in detail the classification of algae based on the habitat, thallus structure and pigments. In this lecture, we will study in detail the different types of photosynthetic pigments found in algae. The different photosynthetic pigments found in algae can be categorized into three groups. Now the first category of pigments is the chlorophylls, which are the main photosynthetic pigments. The next category of pigments is the carotenoids and phycobilins, which serve as accessory pigments in the photosynthesis. Now the chlorophylls are mainly the green pigments, which are of four types, that is the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C and chlorophyll D. So in chlorophylls we have just four types of chlorophylls, A, B, C and D. In the carotenoids we have two groups. First is the carotenes and other is the xanthophylls. The carotenes and xanthophylls, they are collectively known as the carotenoids. The carotenes are either red or orange pigments and the xanthophylls are yellow or brown pigments. So in carotenoids we get either red, orange, yellow or brown colors. The next class of the accessory pigments is the phycobilins, which are either blue or red pigments. In the phycobilins we have two groups. First is the phycocyanins, which are mainly blue pigments, and the other is phycoerythrins, which are mainly the red pigments. So these are the three main groups of the photosynthetic pigments in algae. The chlorophylls are the main photosynthetic pigments, whereas the carotenoids and phycobilins are the accessory photosynthetic pigments. The higher plants also contain these three categories of the photosynthetic pigments. Now let us see the distribution of these different photosynthetic pigments in algae. Now as far as the chlorophyll A is concerned, the chlorophyll A is present in all algae and in all green plants. So whatever may be the group of algae, whether it is blue-green algae, green algae, brown algae or red algae, the chlorophyll A is present as a default pigment. The chlorophyll B is found in green algae and all green plants. Now chlorophyll B is found only in green algae and in all green plants. That means chlorophyll B is not found in other groups of algae. Now chlorophyll C is present in diatoms and in brown algae. Regarding diatoms, we will discuss more in detail while discussing the applications of the diatomaceous earth. Now chlorophyll D is present only in red algae. It is not found in other groups of algae. Now the carotenes, which are accessory pigments, they are found in all algae and in all higher plants. Now xanthophylls, they are also present in all algae and in all higher plants. Now the phycocyanins, which are the blue pigments, which are found in blue-green algae, and the phycoerythrins, which are the red pigments, they are found in red algae. Now this table represents the summary of the pigments in each class. Now within a group, mixture of photosynthetic pigments can be found. For instance, green algae contains the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenes and xanthophylls. Now in green algae, chlorophylls are the dominant pigments. So they mask the color of other pigments, that is carotenes and xanthophylls. That's why the green algae are mainly green in color. Now the pigments in blue-green algae. Blue-green algae contains the pigments chlorophyll A, carotenes, xanthophylls and C-phycocyanin. Now C-phycocyanin is the dominant pigment in blue-green algae. So because of the excess quantity of C-phycocyanin, the dominant color of the blue-green algae is bluish-green. Now the photosynthetic pigments in brown algae. The brown algae comprises the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenes and xanthophylls. Fucoxanthin is abundant in brown algae. Now since fucoxanthin, which is abundant in brown algae, the characteristic color of the brown algae is brown. Now the photosynthetic pigments in red algae. The red algae comprises the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, carotenes and xanthophylls. as well as R-phycoerythrin, which is a phycobilin. Now this R-phycoerythrin, which is red in color, is the dominant pigment in red algae, contributing to the characteristic red color of the red algae. So here in this table we can understand that each class of algae contains the main photosynthetic pigments, that is chlorophylls, as well as the accessory pigments, that is carotenes and xanthophylls. And because of the abundance of certain pigments, the algae get their characteristic dominant color.